The 2018 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, LED headlights, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning front, alloy wheels, heated and cooled front seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, trip computer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.